In this video, we're going to look at problem B on page 52. The directions are asking us to use the Pythagorean identities to simplify 1 divided by 1 plus cotangent squared. Remember that the Pythagorean identities are on page 51 down here. So it's asking us to use these three Pythagorean identities in order to simplify this problem. And remember that when it's asking us to simplify, that probably means we don't want to have any fractions in our answers, and we want to have as few terms as possible. So let's see. 1 divided by 1 plus cotangent squared. Clearly, at the moment, we can't simplify anything out because nothing cancels out. So let's see if we can change some of our terms so that things can cancel out or simplify. So notice that in the denominator here, we have 1 plus cotangent squared. That is actually one of our identities. 1 plus cotangent squared is right here. And 1 plus cotangent squared is equal to cosecant squared. That means we can replace 1 plus cotangent squared in our problem with cosecant squared. So what we actually have then is 1 divided by cosecant squared. Since 1 plus cotangent squared is the same thing as cosecant squared. Okay. And remember that we can actually rewrite this fraction as 1 over cosecant times 1 over cosecant. Because 1 over cosecant times 1 over cosecant is the same thing as 1 over cosecant squared. Okay. But also remember that 1 over cosecant is the same thing as sine. So 1 over cosecant is equal to sine, as you might recall from earlier. So we can actually replace 1 over cosecant with sine. So we have sine times sine. Since 1 over cosecant is the same thing as sine. And sine times sine is the same thing as sine squared. And that's our simplified answer. Because we don't have any fractions, and we only have one term that's squared. That's problem B. In the next video, I'll go over problem C on page 52. Until then, see ya.